Well. Look who decided to show up. I figured you were too scared to compete against me.
Welcome to the most nature-epic nature quiz in nature. Today we're going to find out who knows the most nature facts and will win the prize nature quiz trophy.
Oh, my.
Now let's start the show, and remember, you gotta be a nature whiz if you want to win the nature quiz. Name an animal that lives in a tide pool.
Starfish.
Correct. What do you do when you lose your way in the forest?
STOP. Stop, think, observe, and plan.
Correct.
Glowworm.
Correct.
Yes.
Bury a shrimp.
Correct.
A possum.
No, I'm sorry. That's incorrect.
Duck-billed platypus.
Correct.
Boom!
And now it's time for the final nature quiz question. Whoever answers this one correctly will win the nature quiz trophy!
This is so intense.
What is the loudest insect on Earth?
Cicadas!
That is correct! Cicadas are the world's loudest insect!
Yay!
Go, Daisy! Daisy wins the nature quiz trophy!
What? I didn't read any of that in my research.
I didn't either. I found out just by being outside with my friends. I want to share this with you guys.
Daisy, why? What did we do?
You reminded me the best way to discover things about nature is to explore nature. Now let's go tell the